Hi everyone, I've got a really simple experiment to show you. You will need some food colouring, some whole milk, full fat milk, dish washing liquid, cotton buds, a cup and a plate. And this is a really fun experiment. We'll start by putting some milk in the plate. It works best with full fat milk. Okay, and so let's just pour a bit of milk in the plate. Next, choose some various colours and put one drop per colour in the centre of the milk. Okay, so let's do that. Just one drop is enough. One there. Let's do a few different colours. Maybe one more. There. Next, put a little dishwashing liquid into the cup. Just a tiny amount. Take a cotton swab and we dip the end of the swab in the dishwashing liquid. Now we just touch that swab onto the milk and watch what happens. Whoa! You get a colour explosion. Let's see if I can get that to work again. You can move the colours about just by tapping, and you can make your own artwork, abstract art. I think I need some more colours. Ooh. Okay, let's try again. You see how that reacts? Let's try some more soap. Oh, that's getting better now. I stirred up, use the other end of the swab and you can stir up the milk a bit. And then with the soapy end, you can move the patterns around. Wow, look at that, that's a nice one. Oh. Let's try stirring it again a bit. And this works because soap molecules have a special property. One end likes water and the other end hates water. Hydrophilic and hydrophobic. So one end of the soap molecule attaches to the fatty milk, and this attraction between the soap and the fatty milk causes the molecules to move about quickly, and it makes these colourful explosions. That looks like a tomato, doesn't it? Look at that. Very similar to a tomato. I think my problem was that I did the milk too deep. Let's have another go. Let's try again, but let's put slightly less milk in. I think the milk was too deep. Maybe like that. Okay, that's slightly less milk. But let's make sure it covers if we get a clean swab, let's make sure it covers the whole plate. There. Put in a drop of colour. Maybe some green. And a bit of this blue. And I would like some yellow. Was it pink? Pink maybe. Okay, we get a cotton swab, put some dishwashing liquid on it, and let's get some explosions. Yeah. You just touch ever so lightly, and you can create your own artwork. Use the other end of the swab and you can stir and get some different effects. All through the power of soap. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Yay.